Hi friends, in today's video we will be talking about Himachal Pradesh, a home to scenic mountain towns, lush valleys, snow-capped peaks and deep gorges cut out by rivers crashing down the mighty Himalayas. Himachal Pradesh is by far the country's most popular and easily accessible hill state. If you are planning a weekend getaway or an extended holiday, the best time to visit Himachal is October to February. January is the most preferred time to see snow-packed hills and snowfalls. The ridge located in the heart of British summer capital Shimla. The ridge is a wide open street located on the side of Shimla Mall Road. The ridge has everything from shops selling some exclusive artifact to the spectacular view of snow-capped mountains ranges set against an orangish hued sky. It is famous for a lot of things but best known for shopping. This place is a delight for all kinds of tourists, and the old British establishment beckons visitors from all over the center of the beautiful hill station. The ridge is the most recognized face of Shimla. It is often the most photographed part of the hill station, covered with pine, firs and Himalayan oak. Kufri in Shimla district, Himachal Pradesh is one of the most sought after holiday destinations, and more so for couples because of its proximity to Shimla and relatively higher altitude, which makes it a place with snow all through the winters. Kufri is just about 10 kilometers from Shimla and is quite a retreat if you are in Shimla, and snow is something which excites you. While there's not much to see in Kufri as such, but the panoramic view and temples after a bit of trekking are worth the time. Kufri is the winter sports capital of Shimla. Leaves each and every visitor splendid with its beautiful white cover of snow. It is a skier's paradise. From the first snowfall of the year to the time snow melts, it is flocked by hundreds of skiers. Skiing is Kufri's primary allure. The slopes, heights and the snowy carpet offers the most adventurous platforms for skiing. The thick cover of snow is perfect for hosting the adventurous sport. Kalka Shimla toy train. The Kalka to Shimla route is best travelled by way of the toy train that runs on a narrow gauge track and is known for its dramatic views of hills and surrounding villages. The historic Kalka Shimla toy train is a part of UNESCO World Heritage List and takes individuals on a ride amongst vast green hills and deodar and pine forests. The journey was carved through the abundance of nature in Himachal Pradesh during the British rule, due to which Kalka Shimla toy train is bound to take you back to a completely different era in history and through one of the most scenic railway journeys in India. The 5.5-hour toy train journey provides special services and is must do when visiting the mountain side of the north. Ice skating in Shimla. Ice skating is a famous sport in the beautiful city of Shimla. The Shimla ice skating rink is well known because it is naturally formed rink found in the town and is also the largest and the only naturally formed rink found in the South Asia. It draws not just the locals but tourists from all over the world. The experience of indulging in sports at the foothills of Himalayas is a breathtaking one. Kullu is located on the banks of Beas River, with panoramic views and majestic hills covered with deodar and pine trees. It is nature lovers' paradise. Kullu generally coupled with its sister town Manali, which is on much higher altitude to provide more scenic views. Bhrigu Lake. A blazing blue Bhrigu Lake sits snug between two high altitude ridges towards the east of Rohtang Pass. One of the many glacial lakes in Kullu Valley, this lake makes for a perfect weekend gateway and is also well suited for families. The remarkable thing about this trek is that one can reach an impressive altitude of 14,000 feet and experience snow over the second day of trekking. Friendship Peak, Kullu. One of the trekkable summits in the Indian Himalayan region, the Friendship Peak, looming at an elevation of 5,289 meters in the Pir Panjal range of Himachal Pradesh, is a trekker's haven. The Friendship Peak trek passed through the beautiful Solang Valley that houses several alpine meadows, thick forests dotted with the various species of alpine trees, colorful orchards and crisscrossed by numerous small and gushing streams. Moreover, the journey drives you crazy once you reach a certain altitude, with steep climb over the thick bed of snow and walking over the glaciated tracks and narrow ridges. Paragliding Kullu. Paragliding is one of the better experiences and one of the most exciting activities that you can try at Kullu. The place is a hotspot for adventure sports, and this one is going to be one of the topmost experience of your life. You get to fly like a bird atop the almighty Himalayas and enjoy a bird's eye view of the gorgeous valley. Manali. Nestled in between the snow-capped slopes of Pir Panjal and Dhaulagir ranges, Manali is one of the most popular hill stations in the country. With jaw-dropping views, lush green forest, sprawling meadows carpeted with flowers, gushing blue stream, a perpetual fairy tale like mist lingering in the air, and a persistent fragrance of pines, Manali has been blessed with extraordinary scenic beauty. From museums to temples, from quaint little hippie villages to bustling upscale streets, river adventures to trekking trails, Manali has every reason to be tourist magnet it is. Solang Valley, Manali. When heading to Manali for a vacation, two absolutely essential destinations in the itinerary are Rohtang Valley and Solang Valley, 14 kilometers to the northwest of the main town of Manali. Solang Valley is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Himachal Pradesh. Situated on the way to Rohtang from Manali, every year the valley welcomes tourists in huge numbers. A favorite for adventure enthusiasts, parachuting to paragliding, horse riding to driving mini jeeps, especially available for tourists of all age groups. Solang Valley has it all. During winters, Solang Valley is covered with snow, making skiing is a popular sports here. With training institute and trainer located in the valley to supervise skiers and train beginners. As the snow melts, skiing is taken over by Zorbing, another popular attraction of Solang Valley. Taking advantage of the slopes of the valley, you are likely to spot a huge transparent ball with mostly two people inside it rolling down the slope during summers. Yes, Zorbing is as much fun as it looks like. One of the most vibrant and enjoyable places in Manali. There is no way one can possibly miss this amazing valley while here. Bias Kund Trek. Other than being famous a tourist destination, Manali is also the way of one of the most undertaken treks, the Bias Kund Trek. This trek is perfect weekend gateway plan which takes you away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Get a chance to feast your eyes on the outstanding views of Pir Panjal mountain range over the Bias river. Old Manali. Located at 6,589 feet above the sea level and 3 km uphill from Manali, a quiet settlement that lays beneath a valley with a vast coverage of apple orchards. Manali is divided into Old Manali and New Manali by the Mansalu river. Indulge in some delicious continental food at the low price here and shop for knickknacks from the local markets here. The sunrise and sunsets here are intoxicating and you will surely love the energy of this place. Old Manali is most famous for its Hidimba temple. Manali Sanctuary. A visit to Manali is no doubt incomplete without a holiday at the Manali Sanctuary, which is an astounding and impressive wildlife sanctuary located in Himachal Pradesh. The wildlife sanctuary is at a walking distance from the main town and city center of Manali and is the ideal spot to explore the rich flora and fauna that the place harbors. Other than opportunities of sightseeing a variety of these reptiles, birds, animals and mammals, Manali Sanctuary also has an ample option that will entice the adventurous and fun-loving soul. These include the fabulous trekking routes and camping facilities. The Manali Wildlife Sanctuary is no doubt a paradise on earth for all animals and nature lovers who flock here in large number to experience what this heaven feels like. Dalhousie. The tiny tinsel town of Dalhousie is a paradise tucked away in the lap of Himachal Pradesh. This hill station was one of the favorite summer destinations of Britishers during the Indian colonial era. The Scottish and Victorian architecture reminds you of its colonial heritage while the wispy air continued to haunt British aromas. Thajir. Often referred to as mini Switzerland of India, Thajir is a small town near Dalhousie which provides tourists a unique combination of forest, lake and pastures. The mesmerizing beauty of this place has greatly influenced and inspired many kingdoms throughout the year, including the Rajputs and Mughals. Located at an altitude of 6,500 feet, the natural beauty and picturesque landscape of this place are bound to leave an everlasting impression on a tourist. Thajir is known for its 9-hole golf course which is nestled in the midst of lush greenery and breathtaking landscape. Sadhara Falls, Dalhousie. The stunning Sadhara Fall is situated in Dalhousie, Himachal Pradesh. It is surrounded by fantastic views of Chamba Valley with snow-covered ranges and fresh green pine and deodar trees. Sadhara means 7 springs. This waterfall brings together the water of 7 beautiful springs at this meeting point. The water here is said to be contain mica, which has medicinal properties to cure skin disease. Chamera Lake, located near Dalhousie in the Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh. The Chamera Lake is the man-made reservoir for the Chamba Dam. The lake and the dam are complementary to each other and add to the view. During monsoon, the flooding of river Ravi causes the Chamera to look like a miniature but majestic version of Arabian Sea. It is a popular picnic spot and boating location. One can explore the lake on a speedboat or a rowboat. That's all for this episode. Keep watching Unboxing Brain for amazing videos like this. This is Ram. Please like, subscribe, share the videos you like. Thank you.